Hello, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Guys, welcome. This is your reading, Earth sign. Take only what resonates. Pwede ka makarelate. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong ipilit. Ibigay mo sa iba ang reading. May mga ibang reading pa naman tayo. Next reading. Or feel free to check our other videos. If you want to book a personal reading, Madam Space P, as in Princess, and then lagyan mo na lang din na space sa dulo para ma-search mo yung Facebook page namin. Diyan ka pwedeng mag-inquire ng personal reading. virgophilippines@gmail.com. Yan naman yung email ad namin. Pwede ka dyan mag-inquire. So, ayan. Sana mag-follow ka rin sa amin sa Facebook kasi sobrang na-appreciate ko yon. Ayan. Ipapakita ng malaking suporta at pagmamahal. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Earth sign, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Oh, wow! Actually, nakakita tayo ng problem regarding sa'yo sa pera sa ngayon or nitong mga nakaraan. Pero you're working hard eh. Kumbaga sinipag, alam mo, ito yung literal na you're praying and praying and praying. 'Di ba? Pero yung sa'yo kasi, mayroon tayong kasabihan na nasa Panginoon or nasa Diyos ang awa, pero nasa tao ang gawa. And that is what you are doing. Nagpe-pray ka pero at the same time, hindi ka naman naka-hold on lang sa swerte. Nandun yung hindi magtatrabaho ka, i-workout ko to. And I can see stability sa'yo and there's a new beginning sa'yo na pwedeng magdala ng mas stable na income, mas stable na finances in the future. So sa ngayon, tiis-tiis lang talaga. Talagang dumadating naman sa point na may mga problema talaga eh. Pero hindi ka lang doon nag-i-stay sa, oh may problema ako, poproblemahin ko to. Hindi, may problema ako ngayon, magdadasal ako, gagawa ako ng paraan para kahit papano malagpasan ko ang problemang ito. And that is your mindset. And nakikita natin na mag-workout kung ano man yung mga yung beginnings na ginagawa mo ngayon para sa sarili mo or para sa mga tao sa paligid mo. So alamin naman natin yung person na nakakonect mo. Sino ito? I mean, I can see your family being proud of you at sa mga susunod na panahon for you. So nakita tayo ng mga family, proud na family, friends, they are there to support you sa stability na yan. I feel like you will be more committed pagdating sa iyong work, career. For the sign of Earth sign, sino to? The Sun is here, Five of Wands, the Three of Swords, okay. And the Six of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Queen of Swords. I feel like this is a person na pwedeng gusto mong i-cut off or pwedeng nagkaroon na ng, I mean, you could be stuck dito sa person na to pero gusto mo siyang i-cut off. The Sun is here. Pero itong person na to, pwedeng sa ngayon nakakita tayo ng may mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya ngayon. Well, it could be a child or something. So, pwede nagkaroon ng pag-aaway or pagkakagulo sa inyo nitong person na to and sobrang nasaktan siya doon. And the Six of Wands, I feel like this person is coming back. This could be a person in the past. Babalik siya or gusto niya bumalik. Pero ikaw kasi ang focus mo hindi pera. Pera muna ako. Hayaan mo siya. But there's a person who is there willing to fight for you. Parang gusto niya patunayan sa'yo na ako yung taong makakapagpasaya sa'yo, etc. Sobrang nasaktan siya. So, ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa? For Earth sign, please. For Earth sign, please. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito. Seven of Swords is here. Three of Wands. The Wheel of Fortune. Emotion niya for you, for Earth sign. For Earth sign, please. Emotion ng taong ito. This person loves you. Okay, mahal ka niya. Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. I feel like nagpo-focus siya ngayon regarding sa new beginning niya. May growth sa kanya pagdating sa financial. So, nandun yung focus niya ngayon. The Three of Wands, I feel like itong energy mo is, you're missing something or someone. May na-miss ka and sa connection na ito, pwedeng marami nang nabago. Sa ngayon, the Seven of Swords, parang wala kang pakialam sa mga iiwan mo or aalisan mo. You just want something na mabago sa situation mo ngayon. Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. I can see that this person wants to offer you love, new beginning, etc. And parang ito person na to, mas naririnig or mas naiintindihan ka niya na ngayon. If ever nakita ko si yung picture ni wait lang. Nakita ko yung pagtingin ko kasi sa kanan, I just saw one of my crystals and that particular crystal may pinakitang image sa akin. So, it's a picture of Jose Rizal. So, some of you maybe this person looks like Jose Rizal or yung buhok ni Jose Rizal which is kasi mas more on yun. Medyo kulot na wavy. That could be you or your person. Or maybe your person or you, both of you likes history or one of you likes history. Alam mo yan, yung subject na yun. Anyway. So, mahal ka nitong person na to. This person wants to give you, provide for you. Gusto niya magbigay sa'yo. Hindi lang love, kundi financial na rin. Parang gusto niya makatulong sa'yo. Gusto niya makaambag or what. And you, on the other hand, I don't know, it feels like kahit magbago pa itong taong to, parang wala ka na kasing pakialam. Parang ganun. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you, for the sign of earth sign, please? Sana mag-comment ka, guys. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung comment. Kahit tuldok lang, sana wag niyo ko tipirin. The Magician, the Death card, Ace of Swords. Ayan, tatlong ace na yan. That is an angel number 111. Nine of Swords is here. The Judgment, the Queen of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. Gusto ko i-clarify, why is the Nine of Swords here? Nine of Swords is clarified by the Five of Swords, Five of Cups. Clarify, one more card. Ten of Pentacles. Okay. In the near future, I can see the Magician and the Judgment. I can see possible betrayal or panloloko. I don't know, but it looks like it's coming from your side. Pati hindi ka maging honest regarding sa relationship or sa connection niyo with the Two of Cups dito sa person na to, and this could cause a lot of problem kasi nakita tayo dito ng ending, could be separation. Ten of Cups, Ten of Swords, so an ending of something, like separation. Kung may family na involved, then that's one of the problem na pwede maging dahilan ng separation. The Death card is your Ace of Swords. I feel like you will be more focusing on yourself. Iniisip mo yung sarili mo in the near future. Well, kung tingin mong nasa tama ka naman, you know, I do see you focusing on the things na makapagpasaya sa'yo. Nine of Swords, Five of Cups, Ten of Pentacles. Number one problem na nakikita natin in the near future is money, finances. Pwedeng hindi ikaw, pwedeng family. Family mo or itong person na to. Pero some of you, it could be you, problem financially. Anong advice dito? Kasi may mga financial problem dito tayo nakikita. Knight of Pentacles, what's with the Knight of Pentacles? Sa mga financial problem dyan, or may mga problem financially. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako. Okay. Para sa may mga financial problem dyan, kasi in the future nakita tayo ng problem pa rin financial eh. May advice. It is to tingnan mo yung mga offers sa'yo. I can say offer eh. Could be someone who, father figure kind of energy. So, kung ano man yung offer sa'yo nitong father figure na to, maybe, ito yung time na parang allow someone or this person to help you. Kasi may nakikita tayong tumutulong. Pero yung iba sa inyo, kasi mataas ang ego mo. Hindi ka para i-accept si tulong or what. So, I can see help coming from someone. And etong tulong na to, pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. Can give you a lot of money. Yung iba, this could be someone na galing sa family nyo, or could be a family wealth, family business, or family maybe properties or what. I can see offer of someone coming from a father figure na pwede matulungan ka to support your family or what. Okay. Anyway, Six of Pentacles and Six of Swords. Yeah. I feel like yung iba sa inyo maraming tutulong talaga in the future sa'yo. In the past, ganun na rin naman. Kumbaga parang ikaw yung tipo ng tao na pag nagkaroon ka ng problema, talagang may tulong na dumadating sa'yo. Hindi mahirap yung tulong na dumadating. And the Queen of Wands and the Judgment. I can see an advice coming from someone. Makinig ka dun sa advice. Kung ano man yung mga advice na to. Yeah, kasi kung ano man yung mga advice na bibigay sa'yo, this is an advice na makakatulong sa'yo financially. Nine of Cups, I can see a lot of options pagdating sa love, and someone here will be moving on from something, lalo na sa relationship connection and love issues. Pwedeng nandun yung nagising na ako, alam ko na kung anong dapat kong gawin, anong dapat kong maramdaman. So, yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe. Pa-comment sa baba. And I will end the reading here. Ingat po kayo lagi and bye-bye.